What if you took a rocket, a super-duper fast one, and flew in one direction? Really, really far. Beyond the galaxies, beyond the edges of the universe. Where would you end up? The end? A wall? An abyss? What's there? Now the more interesting question, is there even an edge to the universe? And what's beyond it? Okay, stop. Before we start fantasizing, we need to understand what we're dealing with. Okay, let's start with the basics. The universe is everything. Everything. Matter, energy, time, space, the whole package. But when we say everything, it doesn't necessarily mean that it has boundaries. It's like the surface of the Earth. It's finite, but has no edge. If you go forward, you'll go in circles. Perhaps our universe is a three-dimensional analog of this, closed, but without an edge. But wait, how about the expansion of the universe? The universe is expanding, yes. But it's not expanding in something. It's space itself that's stretching. Like a bun with raisins, the raisins are the galaxies, and the bun is the space between them. The raisins don't have to fly over the edge of the bun. The dough just puffs up. So where does the universe expand to? The answer is nowhere. It just gets bigger on its own. Okay, but what if there is something outside the universe? Like a room outside a room? By the way, when we say the universe, we most often mean the visible universe. This is what the light from there managed to reach us in 13.8 billion years. But beyond this horizon is possibly a huge, inaccessible part of the universe. According to some estimates, it may be 250 times larger than the visible part. Then the question arises, what is our universe floating in? Perhaps in nothing. Everything we know is inside the universe. And beyond it, perhaps there is nothing there at all. There is not even time. Yes, it sounds like a bug in the Matrix. But nothing is also a thing in physics. A real, fundamental nothing. Better than any horror movie. And now the most delicious part, the multiverse. The multiverse theory says that our cosmos is one of billions of bubbles. And beyond it, there are other. With their own laws, dimensions, and perhaps even other versions of you. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's a hypothesis, and there's no evidence yet. But mathematically, it doesn't contradict known physics. And yet, let's return to the main question, what is beyond? Some people think, if there was a Big Bang, it happened in something. But the Big Bang is not an explosion in the void. It is a swelling of space-time. That is, time and space began to exist with it. So beyond may not just be empty, perhaps even the concept of place is meaningless there. And there is another idea, perhaps we fundamentally cannot know what is outside the universe. Like a fish in an aquarium does not know what the internet is. This is called cosmological censorship. Not because someone is hiding something, but because physics forbids us from receiving information from the outside. If this is true, the universe keeps its secrets tightly. So what is beyond the universe? Maybe nothing. Or maybe anything. Alien universes. Different time. New physics. Or absolutely nothing. There is no answer yet. But one fact is clear, we live inside something very big, strange, and incredibly beautiful. And that already sounds like a great place to be human. Maybe you will be the one to solve this mystery. Well, if it is not difficult for you, I think you can like and subscribe.